my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to online maths class. Be ready with note, pen, pencil, everything. Today we are going to learn about the unit information processing. We are going to learn about the information processing. What is called information processing, my dear students? That means we have to collect the information or collect the data about the given information. Collecting the data about the given information. Yes. So the main aim of the information processing is to enable the learners, that means you people, to count or compare and assume the information such as invitees coming to attend a party, or sort out the library books, or food production, or number of peoples taking food in the midday meal scheme, and the various occupations of their parents. That means, for example, in our class we can collect the information about the food items which like the students. Yes. So based on that, while we are collecting the information, we can segregate and we will be updating the information. That is called information processing. Now we'll do a small example. Okay, my dear students. The teacher asked a student named Tinu, okay, to collect pictures of his favorite sport articles, and Tinu collected the same and hand it over to the teacher immediately. Okay. Now let's see how it's possible for him to do quickly. Yes. Now let me show you a picture. From the picture he has collected the information quickly. Yes. Shall we see that? Okay. Now what are the sports articles over there? Bat, that means cricket bat. Ball, which is football. Yes. And then carom board, then hockey bat also. Yes, we have cricket bat and one more ball is there, carom board and hockey bat also were there. Okay, so from the above picture, see my dear students, now observe the picture properly. From this picture, how many number of bats will be there? 7. How many balls are there? 10. Then what about carom board? 8. Hockey bat? 10. Okay. So how this information came to us? Because, for example, now we are asking to our class friends. They were telling, I would like to bat, I would like to ball, I would like to play in carom, I would like to play with hockey. Like that some children were saying. So how many members were saying cricket bat? 10. How many members were saying ball? 10. How many members were saying carom board? 8. Likewise 10 members were saying for hockey also. Yes. Now find the total number of picture. Find the total number of picture. Now I am asking to the Tino, how many pictures were there in this information? We have to add all the numbers. We have to add all the numbers. That means 7 plus 8 plus 8, 10 plus 10. That means 28 plus 7 is 35. So total number of pictures in this information is 35 pictures were there. Okay. From among the 35 picture only we have collected bat separately, ball separately, carom board separately, everything separately. Yes, isn't it? So how many students like cricket bat? 7 students. Likewise, how many of them like football? 10. How many of them like carom board? 8. So did you understand this information processing, my dears? So we have to collect the information. Based on that we can saying the information in a short way. Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to see about systematic listing. What we are going to see? Systematic listing. Okay, so number of puzzle is considered to be one of the unique games in mathematics. Isn't it or not? We liked very much to play with the numbers. Yes. number puzzle, number games, many things are there. Already we were played also. Yes, we were playing during our school times also, isn't it? So these type of games create more interesting and involvement to learn mathematics in a very easy manner. Yes, so that will be helpful to learn more mathematical terms, more mathematical technology to develop our mathematical skills. Yes, it is very happy to note that most of the number puzzle contain the basic knowledge of mathematics. Now, I am going to show you one game. Okay, shall we learn the game? Are you all ready to learn the game along with me? Now, here is the game of number puzzle with the systematic rule and with the specific property. There will be a rule is there and there will be some specific property also is there. Yes, my dear students. Now, let me think one number. Okay, so you people also think a number along with me. Yes, are you all ready to do an activity along with me? Take your notebook and pen. Have you all taken? Yes. Now think any number. Choose any number. Have you all chosen? So now don't tell the number. Keep it in your mind. Now I am going to think a number 4. Okay. Whatever number you are thinking, just keep the number in your mind. Now add the next number to that. What number you are thinking along with that. Okay. Now what was I thought? 4. So what is the next number? 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now the third point is add 9 with the number. Now I got 9. I am going to add by 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. Now divide the number by 2. So what I will be getting? 18 divided by 2, 9. Then subtract the assumed number. What number I have assumed? 4. So from 9 minus 4, while subtracting, what I will be getting? The answer is 5. Yes. Now I will give you a minute of time. You all do the activity. Let me show you only the systematic property. Specified rule. Okay. So now choose a number. Add the next number to that number. Then add 9 along with that number. Divide by 2. And then subtract the assumed number. What you will be getting the answer? 5. What you will be getting? 5. Are you all happy? Okay, my dear students. You all ask few more sums. You all do few more sums like this. Okay, you can ask along with your parents also. Okay. Now, shall we do an example? Yes. We'll do an example that is called Sudoku. Okay, with the 3x3 grid. Now the object is to fill all empty squares so that the numbers 1 to 3 appear once in a row and column. What is the condition? Let me explain you clearly. We have to fill only the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay. We have 9 boxes, that means 3x3 grid, that is. So we have 9 boxes. If I'll enter 1 in that column and the same row, we should enter only once the number. Okay. So now shall we rearrange the numbers 1 to 3 as like the next place? Now next I am going to enter 2, 3, 1. Whether it is repeated row wise or column wise? No, it's not repeated. Now while I am writing for the next row, 3, 1, 2. Yes, my dears. So now row wise there is no numbers are repeated and column wise also there is no numbers are repeated. So in simple way, how can we say? We can arrange the numbers 1 to 3 in a different ways. We can arrange the numbers 1 to 3 in a different ways. Okay. Now let's do example 2. Okay. We have 4 cross 4 grid. What we have? 4 cross 4 grid. That means in a row and in a column we have to fill a number from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4. Okay. So now take first row. What are the numbers are there? 1, 4, 3. And what number is missed out there? 2 is missed out. What number is missed out? 2 is missed out. So now I enter 2 in this row. Now first row is completed. Yes. If I'll enter this 2, take out the last column. 2 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there. So what number is not there? 4 is not there. So now we'll apply 4. We'll apply 4. Yes. Now this column also completed. Now come to first column. 1, 3, 2. What is not there? 4 is not there. In this column what is not there? Which number is not there? 4 is not there. Yes. Now come to the last row. Which number is not there? 2, 4, 1. Whether 3 is there? No, 3 is not there. So now let me enter number 3. Yes. Now come to the second column. 4, 1, 3 is there. So what is the number left out? 2 is left out. What number is left out? 2 is left out. Yes, isn't it? So now likewise you can fill the number. Shall we check the answer now? Yes. Now let me show you the answer. You all check your answers. Yes, my dear students. Yes. Now I am going to give you an activity. Okay. So you have to complete that activity. Yes. We have the 3 numbers 5, 3, 2, 9, 2, 4 like that. Okay. For that they are given some answers also like 15, 10, 12. Okay. So let me give you the hint also. And you must complete the last one. Already I have given the answer also. You should have choose which is correct answer. Yes. Will you do it after the class completed? Okay, my dears. Now let's move to exercise 6.1. Are you all ready to do? Yes. Now take your note and pencil. Are you all ready? Now the first one is fill the suitable number in the boxes. Fill the suitable number in the boxes. Okay. So first sum, there are 9 boxes. That means 3 cross 3 grids. 9 boxes are there. So we have to fill the number from 1 to 9 without repeating any number. Without repeating any number. Yes. So in that or as usual method we can fill it. Okay. 1 afterwards 2 has to come. So 2, 3, then second row 4, 5, then next one 6, then 7, 8, 9. This is our as usual method. We filled the numbers. Whatever numbers were missed out, we filled it. Yes. Now in that second one, question number 2, we have 9 boxes. So the numbers want to fill only 1, 2, 3. Want to fill only 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in first row, what number is missed out? 3. And the first column, which number is missed out? 2. And the last row, which number is missed out? 2. And last column, which number is missed out? 3. Then in between only one box is left over. So what number has to come? Only 1. What number has to come? 1. Likewise, will you do question number 3 and 4, my dears? Yes. Let us do it. Okay. Now, you just see question number C. Complete the following 4 cross 4 Sudoku using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So now in that we have to fill the numbers only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first row as usual 1, 2, 3, 4 we can fill it. Okay. So likewise we can fill the first column. Likewise we can fill the first column. Already 4 is there. Yes. In that second row 4 is there. Third row except 4 there is no number. Third row 3 and 1 alone is there. Isn't it? Okay. Now come to our first column. There are 2 gaps will be there. We have to replace that with the number 2 and 3. Okay. So where we can fill number 2 there? Last place. Why? Because already in that row 3 is there, 1 is there. Yes. So let us fill number 2. So now in the first column 1, 2, 4 is there. What number is missed out? 3 is missed out. Likewise in second column which number is missed out? Only the number 1 is missed out. Then the last row 4 is missed out. Which one is missed out? 4 is missed out. Okay. So we have only very few boxes to fill. Okay. So second row what are the things are there? 3 and 4 is there. We have to fill 1 and 2. If we can enter 1 in the last place, already in last column 1 is there. So we are not supposed to fill 1 over there. So let us fill 2 and the before place we can fill 1. Yes. Now we have in the last column 1, 2, 4 is there. 3 alone is not there. Let me fill number 3. Okay. So now in the third row which number is not there? 2 alone is not there. Now let us check it my dear students whether in all rows we have number 1, 2, 3, 4. We were arranged it in a different manner. Yes. Okay my dear students. Like that you can do the remaining sums also. So kindly note down today's homework my dear students. Today's homework is exercise 6.1. Question number in A question number 3 and 4 and question B and question C 2 and 3 and complete D and E also. Yes my dear students, today's session is completed. Complete your homework. Thank you my dear students.